etiefo Kennedy Japan asanso akasa na wano de wose eye Minister Frimpong Boateng a yede ne to interministerial committee ano se wonhwe na galamse etuntwa a ende akoda ne excavator nsensem bebre no wose Frimpong Boateng ene ekowusi excavators ne de wo moton ye na asiye kono me reveal price a wose wo moton excavator na so ye beto aso no subscribe na click notification bell no eno ene da screen so sisia we ya ne sa latest news bia ba wonsa ebeka Kennedy Japan say one dey work receipts. He has evidence a tre say Frimpong Boateng ene ekowusi wo mo de omo adwebun mu eton excavators no ba ko bia 250 million muntie ni ye 25,000 Ghana cedis, which is 250 million. Was it excavator ba ko bia Frimpong Boateng ne ekowusi sa ena wo moton ye na wose wono no ensem bi sisi ya na wo mpese obekasa na me pese me reading ensem bi a wo kan ye woni radio station fo bi ena twetwe nkomo ena kan say I just don't talk. I want to realize that I am not creating problems for your radio station. My own chairman Dankwan Smith, known as Bute in Central Region, he first introduced ekowusi to me. For every excavator, ekowusi and Frimpong Boateng charged 25,000 Ghana cedis. Huge allegation ena Kennedy Japan wode to eye Professor Frimpong Boateng ene ekowusi so. Se excavator biano womoton no 250 million. Na seven prediasa excavator enye wode a obi di ye adwuma wakwa akosizi. Wo koton ageden. I'm not saying say ebia de Kennedy Japan cano factually right, but ensema Kennedy Japan atujwa. Na there was also ya wode etia so ne say wono Kennedy Japan no we cry receipts of 75,000 which is 3. That is a 3 excavators. We cry receipt of 3 excavators bia nkofu bi tia 75,000 na nini nechi excavators no yamfan momo. Iti die si ye ne se wo mo excavator no ye ko sizi ye no ebi mo enyante ye se excavator no ye ton ba ko bia 25,000. Inti di omo ye ne se wo mo fechi ekoye inti de Kennedy Japan kan de se wo receipt of obi ne 3 excavators ene hunti ye ka se ba ko bia won cha 25 ene kra ya man discount. Ye se ba ko bia won cha 25 e ma ni tia 75. Sa se mo ye na krepa me di minister ne ekowusi ho yawo. Wo bi di ni excavator aye djuma mo aba be sizi na wo san so fechi aton ama ni pakono. They a complete extortion. Wo was extorting ni pakono completely. Wo ko sizi na de wo wie ye wo je 250 million ansa na we release ya man aden. Ghana aden na eto de bia epimo trimo densa if the Kennedy Japan can if it have I'm actually putting an if clause there. It has an if clause. Now when we no Kennedy Japan we no and I was also at the boss so say a branch bia will no Kennedy Japan enim no as a year Mr. Edusei the council sanso kita receipt of 50,000. Not just 2 excavators no wo tia hoka eno so nensa anka na ensensa we ni na no State of the Nation address ena Kennedy Japan say ensensa me cause society State of the Nation address minister bi ana MPB na wo pie ni ehwe se wonsem trend dia na journalist abo edu nchen inti journalist no ebodu Kennedy Japan nchen na wo sha se wo kan semwe na just like senior journalist no Kennedy Japan no the journalist also did same to Professor Frimpong Boateng na one also they want to journalist say it is not true I say the Kennedy Japan kase wo ton excavators or say anya ne kre I say I mean look at me I came back to Ghana from Germany at the age of 39 to set up the National Cardiothoracic Center. The building there was constructed without a cedi's contribution from the government. I reformed the Ghana Red Cross Society, founded the Ghana Heart Foundation. Everything that I have done in this world is for Ghanaians. And no any asema won also Professor Frimpong Boateng Walker. Na if you back one America and they say, hey, politics won. One year, a best say within. I remember very well. And bra na Professor Frimpong Boateng 1 year in the men fan and share politics. A lot of Ghanaians actually admired him. Na ye ni ayeka say we a world renowned heart surgeon. Na to say wiase afane ni na ye bu no say eba akoma ho surgery. Na we number okan wo mo top people in the whole world. Na wo no Ghana ni ate say nkrofo people actually looked up to him because any work no 39 years na wo free Germany ba Ghana no wo ba Ghana ni nyama wo be ye no we be see the National Cardiothoracic Center when you saw abansika ba kumpo. The Ghana Red Cross Society was also be reforming on nankasa lepe ene na ho den. Ghana Heart Foundation, Akoma Foundation, or no, and our be foundation and yamani na. Now I remember some time, na wo bia ebona baso, and there, what didn't know ever share politics mu. She send me a ya say ni dim poto. Excavators and some way by ya say ni dim poto, ya the nemba dia be shame. When I say ya the crow, and ya the crow, ya say ni dim poto, afi, wajini humbia enje. Or Jenny who be a NJ. One their politics to me, a woman will. Nankankophobia said in Prediasa. Nankonia politician, they wouldn't even have the effrontery to even speak with him, no, and then yet in the Nima ye form na yet up and down, and yes, say anything. A young name, people like this. People like this, we've read people like this. Say, say, rap politics, and then people just destroy their reputation because this country where politics is a dirty game. And then, me to me actual. Say, minister, no, the other can't. What for Ghana 410? Ghana has said the corruption assemble. What can you would see said then crash still in Grofun fee? Over Ghana 410 and the minister no Boba Genome Winima. 8 of Ghanaians because a minister we were corrupt. Why? Because excavators and some. Now minister there was one of the one year excavator na ya say waton and a Kennedy Japan na ka say wa also wo nim she Kennedy Japan there wo nim the wire Kennedy Japan one year she. And I say ne ba den was ne ba enye galamsey bia nseme na mo kiken na asemba kwa wasanso kan say wono de won ka hwe na embretie mu no ne krani nia ebepie ne krani nia ebedadi asembo asembia odwin ho a because I know that Kennedy Japan is someone the other Kenya people also believe. And the minister also has a reputation in the sense that in Kofubuno, one more when we get that type of reputation, society muno. Assembly a woman so ever can be in Kofu believe. So right now who is saying the truth? But what I know for a fact, and I say a branch now a journalist, Peace FM. Wono ne bank account mu na ye tie sika tie asana Kennedy Japan air cano. There are facts and there are some things that make us say we can't prove unless Kennedy Japan the receipt ni ba bonte na yehu. The fact of the matter and they say yes excavators no me bobo fact ni so the fact of the matter and they say yes excavators no ye seize. Another fact of the matter and they say yes excavators no exchange of monies be equal so Emma ye release excavators no Emma Nkrofobi, whether the excavators originally belonged to them or not. The yenim say exchange of sikabi ekokokoso. That's also a fact. Now, as to whether Ekowusi and our Sikano and our minister no and our Sikano, just like what Kennedy Japan is alleging, no, that one, it is not yet a fact. So we can't speak on that. But when you say Kennedy Japan, what they are to Jamontre Madrid, our comment box, that's it.